Okay, you guys, so they have Halloween stuff up, so I kind of want to go through with this with you. So let's do that right now. Okay, how cool is this? This is like the books, and you put it against the wall, and it looks like you have like the scary books. That's cute. That's a great idea. Look at the signs in the bottom. The ribbon. They also have velvet. I'm gonna do little by little, no guys to miss anything. This one's cute. My kids do the Day of the Dead, so I'm gonna have to pick up some stuff for them to paint. But that one's really cute. My grandma just passed away, so that would be great to paint in her honor. I think that she would love that. And up there they have the picks. So if you guys are doing a wreath, you guys, these are great for the wreath or a centerpiece for Halloween. These are great. Then they have the eyeballs and then the regular ones. Cute. Then we have your little DIYs. And your arts and crafts. I love giving those out to the boys. I think I'm going to make them a Halloween basket this year so they can do some arts and crafts. What do you guys think? You guys want to see a kid's Halloween basket? That's so cute. Okay, so on the bottom, if you guys are doing the tree, how cute is this? Hocus Pocus, Happy Halloween. And then I'm trying to get the orange one so you guys can see. I put a spell on you. Trick or treat. That's cute. Then they have the signs. The witch is in. You guys, they have everything for your tree right here. You have your tree, your mini ornaments, the bottom of the tree, and then you have all your ornaments. So you can make eyes with that and just paint little eyes on there on the white one if you want to do Halloween eyes. The mini trees are adorable like always. Look at how pretty they are. And look at the mini ornaments, you guys. This is it. I will take pictures of everything just in case. I'll put it on my Instagram. The trees are up there, and then we have more pics. The spiders. I don't want to miss anything, so I'm going very slow. If you guys just rewind it. This is cute. Look at this one. They're like injections. How cute is this? You could put chocolate in here and then the kids could eat it. That's cute. Look at the bottles. Those are new. Those little science bottles. You could put candy in there, like candy corn. They have the stickers. At the bottom they have bowls of the Day of the Dead. I think they're bowls. Oh no, they're not, you guys. They're like for chips. How cool is this? They are bowls, but they're like for chips and stuff. So if you guys are having a Halloween party, this is great to put the chips and the salsa. What a great idea. Now you got to be careful because at the dollar store, this one just turned into $1 plus. So it's $1, $3, and $5. So just be careful when you're buying stuff. Don't think everything's still $1. That's cute. There's just so much to see. I don't want to miss anything. Shadow projector. Then you have your lights for your tree, as well as the decorative lights. Let me see if this works. Yeah, it does. Look how cute they are. You're gonna put little lights on your Halloween tree for the kids. I totally recommend this. Then they have the little ghost, the skeleton heads, the witches. How cool is that? Let me do it again. Yep, she's cool. Then they have your floral picks, as well as mesh for your wreaths. So these are 2 mesh. I definitely need this. We do the carving on the pumpkins. That's great too. The stickers are back. Sorry guys. Ay ay ay. Like ay ay ay. Okay, so the stickers are back. I don't see any that I'm crazy over, but we'll see. I'll keep looking. How cool is this? He's cute. Wreath decor kit. So it kind of has everything you need, and you just add your mesh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and look around. Let's see what else they have. So cute. Okay, you guys, so I am at Dollar Tree and they already have Halloween. This is gonna be little, but I still wanted to show you what they have. Look at this one. The neighbors have good candy. This one's new. The bats. Look at this one. No, this Dollar Tree is kind of like has bad light, but I'm gonna try to make the best of it, you guys. Like this zombie crew. Look at this one. This one's cute. And that one's cute. Oh, look at that one. Stop by for a spell. That's adorable, you guys. Half of these are brand new. Oh, look at that one. The candy corn. That's cute. That's gonna be, I think, my theme this year. Like a mix of candy corn. Then of course that one's cute. Pick your poison. And then it has the little bottles. You guys, if you guys are doing a DIY, this would be great. And then you guys could just cut off these little bottles and use them. What a great idea right there. And then they have, of course, your mesh. Halloween colors. The rats and the bats. That's new. Right there. Those are the tombstones. Then you have the spider webs and the witches. Cool. How cool is this? This is their $5 and $3 section. These are really cute. Oh, those are cute. I know what these are. You put them in your little homes, haunted homes. Look at the skeleton. Is this a... This is a candle. And it lights up. It's fake. Cute. Oh, look at the plushies. It's a candy corn. This is so cute, you guys. $5. Not bad for $5. Look at this one. Pillows are cute. They have cats in the bottom. And then it continues. Oh, those are string lights. Those are adorable. Let me see if they have to show you how it looks. Cute. They have inflatables for $5. How cool is this? I would definitely buy an inflatable. Look at that. Look at that, Dollar Tree. Loving the lights. Set spider web lights. Adorable. These are cute. I was looking for something to put in my candy, to put my candy on my table. I think I found it. How cute is this, you guys? I recommend you guys get one as soon as possible. Adorable. And it holds a ton of candy. Oh, look how cute they are. So there you go, guys. I just showed you my Dollar Tree $5 and $3 section.